Alright, so hello everyone, this is me, Akar, and this is another chill stream about modeling, and today we're also going to be animating and maybe even coding in the end. So, yeah, we are working on a project for the Epic Mega Jam, which is due in 2 days and 9 hours. So let me quickly transition to like actual screen, I guess. Yeah. Buddy, help, buddy. So yeah, the jam is due in 2 days and 8 hours and 47 minutes and 8 seconds. So we have to hurry up because we don't really have much. So yesterday we modeled this awesome character. Yeah. And what we have to do right now is, I guess, give her a gun. Yes, this is her. I mean, look at this. This is her. So, give her some gun and make some animations, because that's kind of essential for a character. Let me put on my glasses. Right. This is better or not? I really should clean my glasses. Wait a second. Here it is. Yep, I got the cloth for cleaning my glasses. So, we have some gliding movement in the game, which isn't really working. I don't think we're going to make any walking cycles because it's kind of hard, and honestly I don't really want to do that. So I'll make some real cool anime style gliding effects, I guess, and some shooting. Yes, because shooting is essential. I don't think we'll have time to make like any melee weapons and animations, especially animations for them. So I guess we're abandoning that idea. Oh, actually, I haven't really worked on the change to the Trello board, yeah? Oh, this is not what I should show you. So, let's quickly mark those things. So, character models, I mean, this is... we'll mark it as done because this is the main character models. Today we're working on weapon models. This is archived. And no, what is this? Character animations. And I guess animation implementation. And I guess that's gonna be it for today. This is important. This is also important. Maybe some environment design. Yeah, I'll have to do a lot of things. Yeah, isn't the list too big? So this is not a combat system though. This is let's just call it to-do list. Good. Right, so I should have updated for you. I mean, it was updated in runtime, I think. So let's make a gun, and I want to make it somewhat like a knight. What did knights use to fight? Swords and spears, yeah? I think the original concept was to make the players like rush at each other first, like they did in those horse duels for knights, you know, the ones where when they rode in straight lines, aiming with spears at each other, like that kind of thing. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna have time to do something like that. So, and from what I learned the previous year Game Jam, it's not about it's not really about the gameplay. It's about the whole feeling of the thing as a game. Yeah? And we should focus on that. So, right, let's make a gun. And now, I should probably find some references. Maybe let's make a gun blade or something. Yeah, let's make gun blade. A gun blade. Gun blade. I know. Wow. This is from Final Fantasy or something, yeah? This looks cool. Yeah, this looks cool. This is a 3D model and it costs like how much is it in bucks? Is this 25 bucks? Because that's actually a lot of rubles, but it doesn't sound a lot in dollars. So let me just open this full screen and yeah, let's use this as a reference. This is an awesome 3D model. I got really mental out it. Right, so let's make something like that. Yeah. Let's model it straight into the hand, I guess. Yes. Cursor to selected. Shift A. QB. Let's make a QB smaller. Right, good. So I guess we are going to start with the blade. Actually, yeah. So the blade has this pretty awesome form. I don't think I'm gonna copy it one-to-one though, because that doesn't really seem fair, and mostly I'm just lazy. So we're just gonna do something which looks kinda good. So where is the blade gonna be? So let's just select all of this. If you select it, we're going to extrude this. This center, 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 and center. Yeah, if this is a blade or something. Yep. I can give it some curvature. Like this, and we should think about implementing a gun into the thing. It seems to have like a gun here. So you're basically like holding it a weird way. I don't really like that, honestly. So I think in our gun we're going to have a different design or something. Yeah. Maybe this curvature doesn't really fit a gun blade. So let's add a cylinder. Let's make it significantly smaller. Maybe like 8. Yeah, 8 seems nice. And it's gonna be a giant barrel of a gun. Gun barrel, yep. Maybe I should make the blade bigger then. Big and heavy. Yeah. The problem is that the blade shouldn't block the barrel. So we should do something like this, I guess. Mm-hmm. And the blade is still blocking it. Hmm. So this is better, this is better. We can scale it down like this, I guess. Let's do it like this. Now let's set a QB somewhere over here. And the reason why we need a QB is because we need to add some geometry over here. Yep. Up. So maybe scale it down like this. Yeah, this seems nice. And now we need a handle. We need to make a handle of some sort. So I guess we're going to use another QB for that. And let's build it right to the hand. For the hand. Yep. Hit Z. Yep. It's gonna go like this, I guess. So let's remove these faces. Control E or something, I don't remember. Prejudged loops, yep. Nice. Yeah, this does look like a handle. Yep. Now we will need to make a trigger of some sort here. Maybe make it a little thinner because maybe even smaller overall. But we need a trigger, yeah? Let's add another QB. For the trigger, even though it's not going to be visible, but I still want to make it. Yep. This is a giant trigger bird. Let's make it smaller. So let's do it like this. And now let's move the whole thing here. And we need to somehow connect it to the handle. Yeah. We can do something like this, I guess. This actually seems somewhat interesting. And we just need some kind of a scope for the thing to look good. Because guns without scopes just don't look nice. I guess something like this. Not sure what kind of a scope I want to make. I think it's gonna be like a camera or something. So we're gonna make it. So let's make it individual origins. No. Something like this. Not individual origins, but media point. And This looks a little lame, honestly. Let's try giving it some textures and see if it's gonna look lame. If it's still gonna look lame. Yeah. It's gonna have the armor colors. Oh. Have engines. Engines and lights are the same thing. Lights. So engines should shine brighter. So these are lights. Select these are lights. All apart. Every single one of them, but these things. These are engines. So hello, Pro 2020X. It's been a long time since I saw you here. So Unity is gonna wait on install phase? I'm not sure about that. I don't know. They don't seem to be very rational, but they are trying to do something, not to lose all of their audience, which is quite logical actually, but I mean, their decision was crazy in the first place. Hi, Dr. Frederick. Nice to see you too here. Yep. Yep, and let's give it some, not engines but lights. Hey buddy, and another one here. This looks too not detailed, honestly. But maybe that's actually good enough. I don't like the maybe thing about it though. Oh, what happened? So let's try and give it some texture. Yep. And like this. This instantly looks better. At least to some extent. Also, I think this should be darker. And let's add some kind of separation thing here. Maybe another light. That's actually pretty niche. Just have to make this look 3D-ish enough. Right in this. Yep. This is a good enough default gun. Yeah. Let's move on to animations. So what is the hand here? Where is the hand? I don't think we have a dedicated tool bundle on the hand. This is arm control or something. This is the hand. Yeah, this is the hand button. Let's duplicate it. Let's go Alt P clear parent. Let's go Control P offset. This is the gun bone. Yep. Front. Lower it a little. So this is going to be to air to R to air to R. This is a little weird though. Does it have any like it has some bone constraints? Yeah, I see. Let's just clear them all. Nice. Let's go here. Apple, no. Your arm. What am I clicking? Armature. Some tries. Now I have the tool L if we need it at any point. So now we can rig the total thing. Control P. Bone. And now we can. So I should also map these bones to that layer. This layer. So it's not on the technical layer. It's rather on the actual animation one. Yep. And now I can do some cool spinny things with that. Maybe I should move it like here. And reparent it. Yeah. Control P. Bone. I think it should go like right into here. Alright, nice. So let's make some animations. Clear post transform. And go to animation tab. Let's enable color preview. I like this window to be an action editor rather than dope shit. Action editor. So this is the base pose. Yeah. Let's delete those alt keyframes. Like we need them anyway. Move all of this here. So, right, animations. What is gonna look good? So, I don't think we have like an idle pose, or should we have? Maybe intro poses or something. Right, let's first work on the moment or something. Right, let's do like gliding. Gliding idle or something. Yep. Go lower the main body. Spread the legs like so, I guess. Maybe no, this is a little too much, and I lower the body a little too much. So, but the legs should be like charged, because I mean the character is going to be gliding right to left mostly, so she has to keep the balance. This way the legs are spread. What is the constraint to this bone? Should remove it. Right, cool. So I need to configure the auto key like this, and yeah, this thing. Oh, why do we have? What is this one? What is this bone? Let's remove it. I don't know what that bone is. Alright. We can hide this bone for now. We don't have the tool in the left hand. So I need to use the local rotation and And bend the fingers. Somewhat, some way. Yep. Maybe something like this. Now let's get this hand out to the front. Let's rotate it. Or maybe we should have it like pointing down. I'm not sure actually. No, I think we should make it point forward. And the reason is because we are going to use inverse kinematics to make this work in engine, automatically aiming at the enemy. But we need to work on the shoulder to make it look somewhat believable, and we should also rotate the body a little bit. Now let's compensate the head. Let's bring this arm a little bit behind so it works as a counterbalance. Maybe let's shift the whole dynamic to the back. We should bring the body out, like rotating it back. And now we can actually move the legs a little. I'm not sure if this is looking like what I wanted, the way I wanted to look, but let's just try and play with that. So let's copy this pose, paste it in the end, and let's make some sort of an idle animation, because we need to give this some moment. Let's play. I can rarely see any movement, which is not good. Yeah. We can also move the legs because we're not really standing in the ground, we are hovering over it. So we can change this pose a little bit. And let's make the playback faster. S.2. S.5. Not 0.2. What am I talking about? 30. This looks can stick around for long, but I want to see how the gem is going. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really go into much according to the plan, because we should have got done more, but I'm still gonna try and do everything I want for the thing. So now at faster playback this it looks super stupid. Almost looking good. Thank you. Alright. Oh, I should select everything. S2. Let's have like gliding right and left. Let's try doing something like that. These are actually more important animations because we're going to see them constantly. So gliding right is that way. We should rotate the body like very much like this. Yeah. Yep. Oh, what is this handman in? Let's rotate it in a local space. And we are going to make this face the enemy properly all the time in the engine. So maybe I should shift it and make even more to this thing to make it really exaggerated. Let's exaggerate the moment. I'm not sure if this is looking great, but it surely looks better than just the idle one. Yeah. So let's copy pose, let's paste it here, let's create an in-between frame. Yeah. So let's see what it looks like. We'll play around with the speed of this animation in engine, but this actually looks not that bad. So let's try to duplicate this and create a gliding left animation. We need to mirror some things, but not all of them though. So we do definitely need to mirror the legs and the whole body, but not the hands. Control Shift V. So let's remove all of those frames. Yeah. Let's bring this hand, this arm out again, because this is our counterbalance. And this and arm. I'm not too sure about how this should look though. Yeah. Yep. Guess something like this. Looks good. Oh, I forgot to make the hand actually hold the gun. That's a little bit not cool. Yeah. But we'll make then another blending animation and blend things in angle. In engine. Yeah, I'm already messing the warps. Yep. So this is looking good enough, I guess. So let's create some in-between animation. And and after that we'll actually try exporting the thing. Yep. Yep. So let's start. No, wait, I forgot about the blending animation, which I talked about like a few seconds ago. So this is the base pose. Let's create like hand. It's going to be gun blade hold R or something, and we are only going to we're going to remove all of the keys here, I guess. And we are only going to key these things. I'm not sure if this is gonna work properly in Unreal, but we'll see. We'll definitely see. So I have to bring this out more. Right. So this is the finger we are going to use to pull the trigger, so let's make it like this. Now let's bend this 3 fingers. Yeah. I mean, this doesn't look terribly well. If this was a real project, like not a game jam, I would probably spend more time on something like this, but not happening today. Alright. Cool, that's good enough. I don't want to attach the gun blade though to the character. So this is gun blade rigged. We should make an unrigged version of it, which is basically going Alt P, clear parent, and input in here, and it will go for an export. Yep. So first let's export the character base model. Yeah. What about the helmet? I should probably make this. So this is like main knight model. Yep. This is Knight Helmet MC for main character, because we're probably going to have different helmets for the enemies, and I'm not but I shouldn't be too sure about that. So let's create an export version for this. Wait, I should make this the rigged one, and this the export version. Alt P, clear parent, origin to geometry, probably, apply the modifiers, origin to geometry, and make it go like 0, 0. Yep. So this is the main model. Let's export it first. Where should I put it? 3D models exported. Epic Mega Jam 2023. Yeah, and last year I messed up the naming and called it EMG and not EMJ. I don't know why though. This is main Knight model. Not selected. Armature and leaf bones, and just don't make any animations. So let's export this. And then let's export the helmet. MC helmet. Basically same settings for Joe. Starter gun blade, because we might have other weapons if we have time. Yeah. So, and now let's export it. Let's actually export the animations. So first is the base pose, I guess, just to make sure we have it. So let's create an animations folder here. Animations, only the armature, make animations, and not analyze scripts, not all actions. So this is base pose, export. Now let's export gliding idle. Idle. Now let's export gliding left. Export FBX. Gliding left. And gliding right. FBX. And last but not least, the gunblade holder. Or maybe it is the least at IDK. Gunblade hold BP, maybe no, BP stands for blueprint blend pose, because I want to make it a blend pose. Export FBX. Alright, cool. Now let's launch Unreal. Yep. Let's launch Unreal and add some stuff there. Import all of the things. Make the materials. Work on the animations. So yeah, this is gonna be Johnny. I should also somehow make the gun mesh system, because I don't really have an implementation for that. Because if we're gonna have different guns, we should be able to somehow switch between them and have different models for them, which should be coded in somehow. I'm not really sure how. I mean, the best approach for that is creating a library, but I'm not sure that's the most efficient method here. Yeah, I'm probably just going to have like a few settings in the gun script. Yeah. So, basically, I promised to show you what the game currently looks like. So, yep, I made actual something like aim in here. So, you actually can now aim, not just automatically, which makes it more interesting. We also have an energy system for the guns, so it works like overheating in like Star Wars Battlefront 2, something very similar mechanic. So if you just don't shoot too like consistently, then you won't have any problems. But if you just hold down the key without thinking, then like you won't be able to shoot for a few seconds. I'm going to sleep out in a moment, but it's good to avoid showing this stuff. Yep, but thank you. So also we have like skills. They aren't really visible, but they are printing out hellos in the left top left corner of the screen, which you probably don't even see because of the to-do list. And they also have cooldowns and stuff. So let's add the models, yeah, and maybe work on some content. All right, so meshes, characters. This is a pretty cool project. I know you said it's not as finished as you would help, but I'm still impressed by your speed. Thank you. This isn't actually my top speed. Like the last year's Epic Mega Jam project was, I was doing progress like in literal minutes and all of that stuff. But this year I have university, because back then I could work for like 7 hours a day without thinking about anything. But yeah, this time I can't do that. So I think I'm going good enough for how busy I am currently. So, right. Let's talk less and do more. Epic Mega Jam main item model. Let's import all of them actually. Import, so this is the main item model. Yeah, it should create its own skeleton. Nice. Next one. Next one is a helmet. Not a skeletal mesh. Let's just import as a mesh. And this thing also. Oh. What is this? Please be bone structure and not rubber. Yep, I mean, this is somewhat good. I know it looks smooth, but we're going to fix this in a moment. Asset details or something there? No, not the asset details though. I'm not looking in the right window. Should go here. Somewhere over here we should have import settings. Mesh. And not compute normals, but import normals and tangents. And now let's re-import it. And now it looks low poly. Yay! It's also created a few materials for us. Maybe let's bring them into a different folder. I should probably set them up as instances, but that's going to take a lot of time, so I'm just not gonna bother. And or maybe I should. I don't know. It's going to be fast if I make a decision fast. So I'll just create a few parameters here. Metallicness, default for 1. Roughness for 0.6. Now let's go point. Oh no, maybe 0.6 is nice. No, 0.4 is nice. Yep. Specularity. I don't know if I should. Let's set specularity. Just don't think about it, okay? You know, I call this good enough. So then let's create material instance, which is armor dark. Armor dark and armor. Let's also create an armor bright thing. So armor dark is basically a darker version of the default armor. Also this. Let's also create another one for the armor accents. Accent. I think there are two C's, but I'm not sure. Armor accents. Instance something. Let's make it bluish. So I like bluish metals. So we should also make an undersuit. Where's an undersuit material though? I didn't bring it here. So let's move it here. When skin is skin, I just think I should set the roughness to something higher. Like 1. Or maybe 0.85 something. We don't really want the skin to be reflective. It's not like we're going to see it anyway, but yeah. Undersuit. Roughness. Let's make it like 0.3. Lights. This is an unlit material. Yeah. Let's set it to unlit. Add a multiply node. Massive color. So lights, they should probably have something like 25 of it, I guess. Maybe more? Not glowing. Oh yeah, so it only starts glowing at some pretty high values. Oh, I actually forgot that this version of Unreal has dynamic lighting for these materials. And let's create an engine. Engines instance. I don't know. Let's make it like emit. Let's put it to 50. I think this is an overkill. 500 is an overkill, definitely. And here we can put it to something like this. So now let's go to them. Mesh, armor accents, armor dark, skin lights, engines instance. Maybe it's a little bit too reflective, but we'll see it. We'll see it. Ah, where is the cursor? Ah, it was on the second monitor. Lol. So let's also go to the helmet and do pretty much the same thing. Armor lights, undersuit, and armor dark. Maybe let's set it to armor bright, and there we should also set it to armor bright, not just armor. Armor bright. And let's close all of these things. Yeah, apply everything. Because when you have those like materials and meshes open, the performance of the engine drops usually. So let's also import the animations. So all of them should go into the main night model skeleton. Import all. Here we have them. Nice. Let's create an animation. What is an animation composite? I don't really know. Create an animation blueprint. And let's just leave it a default name. Doesn't really matter. We should go faster when we went back then. So we have the gliding idle here, yeah? This weird animation, but yeah. So let's make some blending. I'm not sure if... What does this pose have? What if I... Let me see. It just baked in the last animation it had. So we need to blend this somehow, yeah? We have a layered blend node. Let blend per bond. Here it is. For a second I thought it got removed in Unreal 5. No, it didn't, thankfully. So, layer setup. And R, I guess. Yep. So now let's create a like blend space. I don't know if it's gonna be a 1D or 2D. Could probably make it 2D, but not really sure. So I haven't really done any animations for like gliding front and gliding back, which we should probably fix. But how am I gonna blend the two? That's a question. And blending the two isn't too. And hey, Broken 7, what did you miss? Man. We have made a model, and we're currently animating it. Not animating, but actually implementing animations for our super duper cool game jam project, which doesn't really look super duper cool right now. Yep. What did I press? I shouldn't press that. Where's the content browser the first thing I see here? Hi, Nevid Shake. I'm sorry for not pronouncing your name correctly, but I'm glad to see you here. I'm glad to see all of you here. So let's create a blend space. And let's go with 1D for now. I'm doing fine, I guess. It's just that the deadline is in like 2 days and I don't really have a playable game right now. That is a problem, but overall everything's fine. Thanks for asking. So yeah, lighting. Yeah, what about you? If you're asking me, then yeah, I just said I'm doing quite fine. Spent most of the day like catching up to the school I missed, because I actually was ill in the morning, but really got better right now. But I had to skip the school for today, the university, which is pretty unfortunate. But I think I caught up pretty well. Right, so where is the value? Oh, this is... Hold control to set the preview point. Wow. Can I make a character model tutorial when you get a chance? Like you mean a pretty like covering every aspect of character modeling, you mean? Maybe actually something like quick and straight to the point. That's actually a nice idea. Yep. So actually this is not looking bad. I need to horizontal axis function. What is this? Use grid scale animation. Parental access. Here I can set the name. Direction. Minimum value. -1. 1. Oh. Alright. Dismiss. So this should be set to 0.5. This should be set to 1. And that should be set to -1 or something. No, this should be set to 0. Yeah. Now I can set the maximum value to 1 and you call that. Yep. Cool. Alright, so we are getting some artifacts on the characters, I see. What is that? Ah, that's armor facing inwards, I see. So let's go back to the base pose. Let's click recalculate outside. But I think I actually did recalculate it outside, so maybe the problem goes deeper. I think there is a better way of previewing this. No, these are measurements. Mesh analysis, face orientation. Yeah. Alt-10. If I go flip. Ah, that's because it doesn't really have. Oh, it should go Alt-E, extrude on normals, and go inside. Wait, but I do have. What is this? Let's remove these vertices. Okay. Let's remove this vertices. Oh, not this vertices. This vertices. Nice. Now let's extrude on normals. Inwards, I guess. Recalculate outside. Wait. Out. So E, Alt S. This is weird. Yeah. So if I just apply a solidified to those, will it look better? No, it's basically the same thing. Maybe I should remove this vertices too. Wait, I think I removed some vertices I shouldn't have removed. Huh? Let's disable the face orientation for a second. I don't really see where this is going, yeah? This shouldn't be armor, this should be undersuit. Yep, like this. So here, let's enable the face orientation again. Alt-T extrude on normals. Why is this working so weirdly? Where are the normals facing here? And is there anything under them? H. No, there's nothing under them. I think just that these polygons have very weird normals. So let's just fake this depth, yeah, the way it was done before I decided to change anything. Yep. And Make it like this. This isn't the best way to do it, but sure is not bad either. Face orientation, disable it. So now let's re-export. Oh. I separated it. Should Ctrl J it back. Export LPX. Main night model. Should enable all of these things and disable awake animations. Yep. That's really important. Yeah, now we have everything going. Yep. Alright, cool. Alright, enough playing around. So let's put this in here. Direction. And we should extract it somehow from the character. So I'm not gonna do something too complicated. I'm just gonna go and cast directly to the character from here. Again, not the best way to do this, but good enough for the game jam. Get some input. I gotta go, dude. It was nice seeing your work. Good luck, man. Good luck to you too. Thanks for watching. Now let's get an input vector. Current writing input. What is this? Yeah, current writing input. We need that. And this is basically our direction. Maybe we'll have to flip it, but we'll see about that. Let's go into the player. Replace the model with our custom one. Maybe scale her up a little bit. Maybe like this, I guess. And use this. Let's also add a helmet, because we don't really have it currently. Add a helmet, and yeah, let's also add a gun. This is gonna be our gun model. Gun model, and this is, this is MC helmet. It should be MC helmet. So, snap this to the head. See the scaling issue, which I still haven't really figured out since Unreal 4. So let's disable snapping. Let's also disable real time because it annoys me. It could be 1.1, of course, because I scaled up the character. Oh wait, if I scaled up the character, the helmet should also be scaled up by default. But it doesn't seem so, so let's make it like this. Yep. And let's snap the gun to the thing. Where should I snap the gun? I think I have like tool or something. Tool. What is the tool? R. Tool R. Here it is. Pointer 1. Maybe pointer 1 1. Let's rotate it. Maybe put it right into the hand. Yo, something like this, I guess. It doesn't look too aligned, but looks like some. Oh, why though? Yeah. Chew. Now it's so good. So, I should probably close Blender for now, for the optimization reasons. And we should also like get aiming location. I'll write it down. Aiming location. And then let's go something like IK. I have turbo on IK and IK retargeting. I don't know what that is. Let's go with turbo on IK. So join target. We're gonna adjust that a little later, but where is the effector? It should be in world space. Yeah. Now let's take the aiming location. Now let's set the bone. The bone is basically handar. Alright. Now where is the effector? So let's offset the default aiming location somewhere in front. So if I click this, I have the join turret. Yep. I should put it somewhere over here. Not sure if I'm gonna need it or not. Yep, so let's see. Yeah. So the hand is moving. The hand is moving, so that is good. So let's simplify this. Rotations, whatever that's called. But the hand is not rotating, which is bad. Face, or maybe it's track. Look at, here it is. Look at, don't modify its handar, I guess. And where it is looking at? Look at turret. Look at location. Expose a spin. Look at location should actually be world space, and I'm not sure if it is world space by default, but I don't see any any settings here. I mean, this isn't really what I wanted. Yeah. I need, because I shouldn't just look at it. So modify, transform, modify bone. And well then, give me a sec, my nose isn't really breathing.
Gonna be back in a minute. Where is the...
Alright, I'm back. It got a little bit better. So, we should not just ignore, but add to existing, yeah? Maybe make it 180. Yeah, 180. After which we should make... Wait, it's just 180 now. Maybe make it 170? I'm not sure. I'll just leave it like this for now. Maybe not. Maybe let's rotate it like this. I'm not sure why it's bending that much. Oh. Wait, it's facing upside... It's not facing upside down here. Maybe it depends on the water location or something. I'll just... World rotation, no. No, it doesn't. Oh, wait. It has sort of depend... Oh. Oh. I mean, this is... let's just say weird. I mean, the joint location is here. So let's... Remove the effector. Wait, this is the joint. Now let's unplug this. Now let's try to find the effector here. Where is the effector? Let's zero it out. Here I can set. So, when facing this direction, I mean, it's so good, I assume. Wait, no, it's probably not, because... So let's copy this positioning data into the aiming location and see what happens. And yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. I don't know what this is. Yeah, that's not terribly good. Honestly, that doesn't actually fit into my plans of making this work. Now straight chain, maintain effector rail rotation, allow twist. What is twist? Now or not to apply twist on the chain of joints. This clears the twist value. What if I disable it? I think I should bring it back because, you know, this is not looking good. Definitely not looking good. So if I set it like this, it goes back to somewhat normal, but not too good either. Yeah, the gun isn't really facing anything. And the IK doesn't look very well. Yeah. Maybe let's not make it world space. Maybe let's make it component space. And change the way we're calculating it. So let's subtract our get component. Let's get actor location. We should also probably unrotate the vector or something. Yeah, because it changes depending on our rotation, which isn't good. Get extra rotation. Yeah. Let's add a note here. So rotate vector. Unrotate vector, yeah? There is an unrotate vector node. What is this going bad? Wait, is our character rotated 90 degrees in the blueprint mesh? Because it looks like that. Yeah, it's rotated to minus 90 degrees. So I should, after that, I should rotate the vector minus 90 degrees. Maybe I should rotate it 90 degrees. So yeah, this is looking like what we had before, but now it's in local space, which I think makes it easier to calculate. So basically, let's try to normalize the thing. Can I get like the position? So let's get mesh. I'm not sure that this is gonna be optimized, but I'm gonna do this anyway. Get socket location. Shoulder R, I think. Shoulder R. So let's change this not to even to component space, maybe to parent bone space. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Because I can just try and do something like This, yeah. Two float, single precision. Wait, there are floats. There is a float double precision. Huh. I don't remember such things in Unreal 4. But now I know what they actually mean. What? I don't know what are those interfaces, but what is this search window? I don't know. This is normalized from the components location, yeah? Let's raise it. Add I don't understand this search window. I don't need it. How do I disable it? It's so annoying. It's so annoying. Blueprint editor settings. Enable namespace editor features and just enable input trigger support warnings. Divide context. Deprecated functions. Spawn default blueprint nodes. Hide construction script. Navigate to the native function. Night function. Double click navigates to parent. Enable type promotion. Additional breakpoint. I think this is the thing. Yep. It's not showing that awful thing anymore. So let's add 100 here. And let's actually multiply it by 150 in here. Let's compile. Let's go in here. Not looking too good. I think I should add this later. Yeah? I mean, after I subtract the thing. Somewhere over here, I guess. Is this looking better or not? I'm not sure. If I add 200, if this is gonna look better or not. Let's add 1,000 and see if it's even doing anything, because I'm not too sure right now. It is doing something. It's just that I need to add some values which are bigger than 100 and stuff. Yeah. Alright. Wait, I don't think that's how it should be done. Because we're going through the normalization stage, and yeah, it's component space after normalizing. Yeah, it's gonna be bad. Maybe let's do this after the normal. Wait, how was that even going through the normalization stage? I don't even know how that was working. I'm stupid. I'm really stupid. Yeah, this is a little better. So, what if I set it like 50? What is it gonna look like? Hmm. I'm not sure how to do this. Let me respond to message real quick. Alright, so guess I'm back. Not sure what to do with this. And I'm also not sure why it's not rotating. Yeah. Maybe because it's Turbo Nike. If I set it to true, maybe that's the way to go actually, but yeah, this does look better in terms of like the hand and stuff. What's that down there? Gun isn't pointing at the thing. That's bad, that's bad. I need to make the gun pointing at the thing. So even though I made it on this thing, but why it's not orienting? Allow stretching. No, I shouldn't allow stretching. But it's like gliding on the rails and stuff. Notice it looks somewhat different. What? What? Hey, what? Oh, wait. Wait a minute, wait a minute. What's aiming location right now? Let's just make it go 100 front. What is this? 0, 100, 1000, and this one? Yep. Maybe just make it a little higher, so the default value is different. Let's reopen the thing. Maybe it's gonna change the preview. It's not changing the preview. Why? Wait, because it's not run. I get it, I get it. So let's set it to none, I guess, for now. Let's set up the gun offset here. Rotation, relative world. It's just that it's not rotating with the thing for some reason. Which is... You see, it should point upwards, definitely. Maybe let's attach it. Attach actor to compa. No. That's attach component to component. Attach to the mesh. Make a tool R or something. I'm telling it to snap to target, but it's not snapping to it. If I rotate it like this, what's gonna happen? Then it's just pointing up. What? I mean, this worked different in Unreal 4. It worked normal. Wait, but this thing is rotating. Alright, let's attach it to the hand. Maybe something is wrong with the toe or bone. Okay. Where is the hand are? So let's set the animation to none. So I don't have it. So let's remove this attachment. Mm-hmm. 90. I guess something like this. Oh, I forgot to set it back. Yeah, now it should work. So the gun is pointing at something, yeah. It's pointing pretty weirdly though. Yeah. Meshes, characters, anime. Let's move this to animations actually. It's gonna be more straightforward for me to navigate the thing. Oh. Just gonna make it like this. Now it's pointing all the way down. Maybe let's set something like 85. Yeah, it's oh, this is not pointing where I wanted to. Maybe let's remove all of the relative calculations and let's just move back to them. World ones. World space. Vector. World space. I'm using a Chabono. I can't that thing. I need to make a few adjustments, yeah. Transform, modify bone. Hand are. This shouldn't be a pin, and this shouldn't be a pin. This bone space. Add to existing. Why is nothing happening? Maybe I should use the Pernibone space. This is, let's just say weird. It's add to existing. If I do this in a component space, then yes, it is working, but damn. But this is not gonna be working the way I want it to, I guess. Or maybe it is. That's actually pretty much fine. Alright, so let's work on the general look of the game. Let's make the enemy also. So let's reorganize the classes here a little bit. So is there any player specific logic here? I want to make this a base because I want this to be like a knight BPM. Knight BPM. Then right from that we'll have a player BPM. And this one's parent class. How do I change the parent class? Maybe it's class settings. Yep, here it is. It's knight BPM. Mesh. Yep, and since this is an enemy, we should actually create a different light class. So let's navigate to this one. Lights. Maybe like red for just for now. Let's make it like really red. Same with the engines. Let's just lights red. Yep. BP enemy. Lights red, engines red. And the accent color should also be red. Hey Vlad, nice to see you here. The tournament is going. I'm not sure how it's going, honestly. I mean, the deadline is in 2 days and 7 hours, and I barely have any gameplay. But I'm gonna figure it out. I've always done that. So let's make it red. Ooh, that's really bloody color. I honestly really like bloody colors. So here, light red. Here, armor accent. This one. The red light. Jam means improvisation in music sphere. This is kind of an improvised thing. Because, I mean, in music you can do something like on the go, and basically game development on the go is game development very fast, so you haven't seen anything right now. Yeah, but those are actually pretty similar terms. You can make up music on the go, and you can make up a game on the go, which is basically what I'm doing right now. Restore selected, okay. So, is it gonna crash again? Oh. Right, update camera. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Uh, so, Vlada, you're asking me about going to play ROR with you. The only thing I'm thinking about after the stream is to go to sleep, honestly. Maybe just one round, but we'll see when the stream ends, okay? Also, I thought you didn't have the PC with you there. Oh yeah, it's crashing again. Yeah. Right. So. Why is it crashing? That's actually a good question. Why is it crashing? In the blueprint enemy, which is derived from the 9 BPM, I have AI core. So there is some issue with the update camera method there. If I remember it correctly, it said 273. Yeah? And I remember it not correctly. A new friend let me use his gaming laptop. Oh! So, connections, yeah? That's basically what you were talking about. When you said why people are awesome. Connections. Where is it? Update moment, update camera. Set control rotation. I think we've lost the orbit target. No. The orbit target is there. Get follow camera. So let's deliberately crash the engine again. I'm a journalist, man. Connections are everything. Yeah, based. 230. Get controller, set control rotation. I should set AI mode. Wait, isn't AI core set in it? That's weird. That's actually pretty weird. I thought AI core should make sure it's going well on its end, but it's not doing that for some reason. Let's go here. By calling the setup AI method in the begin play of the night core, what is the setup AI method doing? Setup AI, where is it? Waypoints AI limitation. Setup AI. It's set in the AI mode. Nice wallpapers, thank you. Those near automata wallpapers. They should be moving, but I think Unreal crashed them too or something. I don't know. They are not moving right now. But that doesn't really matter. Alright, let's go here. VP enemy. Yeah? Here. By the way, shouldn't it have a controller or something? Ah, wait. Maybe it is because AI placed in world or spawned. AI controller. Everything's based here. But the thing is crashing for some reason. So maybe if I go in... where is it? Is it input or something? AI mode. If I set the AI mode to true by default for the enemy. This doesn't solve the problem, what? Huh? Update camera. Accept violation reading address. What is this address? It seems like it's null PTR or something. Get controller, set control rotation. Maybe it's actually in the player thing. Let's go to the player. Yep, open BP class. So, no, this should be somewhere like in world settings or something. Why aren't world settings here by default? World partition. And very world settings, here they are. Game mode night BP player controller. If I just use the set actor rotation for everything without the control rotation, I don't even think I need the control rotation, and if it's causing my editor to crash, I should probably just remove it and not waste time on trying to figure out the thing. Let's compile the C++ code. This is gonna take a while, by the way. Yeah. So how long is the stream going? It's been only 2 hours. No, it's been already 2 hours and I still haven't really done anything. I need to spice up the game a bit with some particles. Yeah, make the visuals actually good and stuff. Yeah. I'm sorry, but you might haven't heard that. I don't know. I have NVIDIA's noise reduction algorithms running. They're cutting basically everything. Oh, completion completed. So the only thing I should do here is go into the night BP and use control rotation, set to false. Oh. Wait, what? I see what's happening. It's being auto-possessed by player 0, 2. That's the reason why I'm auto-possess. Here we should also auto-possess CI placed in world spawn. But the player should be auto-possessed. Oh wait. So this should be disabled. Yeah. This should be disabled too. And here I should set it to auto possessed by player 0. What is wrong with it? Ah, wait. It's a BP player. But not really. It's a night BP. It's just called BP player. I get it, alright. It's nice that I have figured it out. Save selected. Save everything else. So, what's the plot of the game? I mean, it's nights in space. I mean, the theme of the jam is antiquated future. If you don't know what that means, it means basically something like something old but in a new manner. Yeah? So I figured that bringing like knights and stuff and all of that feudalism into space would be cool, but I can't really make a big universe, so it's just a game about knight tournaments. Yeah, basically duels. Yeah. Oh, what is happening? So let's spice up the game. Ah! I pressed some button again. Is that F1? Yes, it's F1. If I press F1, it brings me to some tutorial thing. Huh, that's weird. So we need to make first make the bullets actually fly from the gun, make the bullets look pretty. Yeah. And add a ton of particles to hide the bad animations. Oh god. Let's go to the 9 BPM. I think we can override some function for that. What is that function called though? It should be called get muzzle location or something. Get muzzle transform, here it is. Alright. Let's go here and add a socket to the thing. Yeah. Window. Wait, socket manager's here. Here it is. Muzzle. Yeah. Rotated. And let's basically put it at the end of the gun blade. Somewhere over here. Maybe a little down. Probably something like somewhat like this. Yeah. Let's go to the 9 BPM. Let's get not from the mesh but from the gun model. Get socket transform. And socket is muzzle. Put this into there. Wait, what's the default muzzle transform? Returning. Maybe it should be modified somehow. I don't really remember. But muzzle transform. I see. It's find and look at the aiming location. Oh, that's actually more complicated than I thought. So I should get socket location. Yeah. Muzzle and then calculate the thing. Or maybe I should bring all of that into C++. Like including this class. No, I don't have time for that. I don't really have time for that, right? So let's look at rotation. Let's get aiming. Get aiming location. Muzzle. Starting from here, pointing here. Let's make it like this. So this is the location, this is the rotation. Let's see if this works. It takes some time to launch. I don't like that. Huh? Unreal? Are you real? Oh, that was a bad joke, I think. I'm pretty sure it's dead, actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, it's alive. It's still alive. It's weird, but alive. I mean, yeah, I guess. It is shooting from the gun, which is good. Now let's make the projectiles actually look somewhat good. Weapons, projectiles. Let's make it not the test projectile, but main projectile. Yeah. I mean, this project is turning from organized to a mess very fast. Light. And let's make it. What is this? Unlock the scale and make it basically like this. So it's what? Wait, test projectile is not really a thing. It's not even being used anywhere. This is the real thing. This is the C++ class we're using. So let's find the lights. Let's scale this down to something like 0.5. No, less 0.2. And let's see. And maybe let's make it faster actually. Like 750. And we should actually put this into the test weapon class. Projectile class. Projectile base BP. And oh wait, no, this is not what I wanted to change. I want to change this parameter. Projectile speed. So no, they are way too thin to even notice, I guess. Do. I'm not sure, but I think we should have some shooting animations. Though I'm not sure how they should look. And I mean, I'm using IK, so I'm not sure if that's even possible. Yeah. Oh wait, I actually forgot about another mechanic I added some time ago. I can become faster or slower by managing my shield and making it like weaker. So this is the toughest shield, but slowest speed. This is the lowest shield, but highest speed. And this is something in between. I should make the difference more noticeable, of course. If I got it like in board game, you got it like in, huh? I mean, I get the board game part, but what is the fought got? Alright, let's move on. Gotta continue making the game look better. Particles. I still have like 40 minutes before my sleep time. I don't think I'll be able to play Roar after this. You forgot it's like in board game. What if I forgot? I didn't forget anything. FX Niagara system from selected to confetti burst, blowing particles, directional burst, fontaine, I guess. A simple sprite burst, single looping particle. So let's first make maybe blowing particles actually. Let's try and make speed lines of some sort. Speed lines. I don't know if the blowing particles are the thing because this burst wasn't a thing in Unreal 4. Ah, I see. It's like leaves. Yeah, disable orbit mode. It's like the flying leaves particles I made for them. For my main game, yeah. Aerodynamics drag, I don't need that. Wind force, I don't need that. Align sprite to mesh orientation, what? Align particles with collision plane, what are those things? Remove all of them. Shape location, sphere radius. Red spawn rate. Let's make it 100 so I can see things better. Now it's like raining, which isn't really cool. Initialize particle. From 1 to 2, I guess. Non-uniform. Guess like this. Sprite renderer, align, velocity alignment. It's not like this. So sphere should be bigger. Size particle. Make this 100 and this what? And this show something. Let's grab the gravity force. Just some force. Can I? Linear force? In the direction of the force, let's make it maybe like this, something. Faster. Let's go faster. Spawn rate, lower it to 50. Mm, maybe lower the spawn range also. Maybe not. Maybe make it bigger. And we should. Sorry. We should also somehow orient the speed lines. How do I do that? So first let's just make a proof of concept. And if I do it like this, it's gonna look good when I go in right. Wait, I paused the thing. So correcting the speed, the size, 50.1, maybe like 0.25 or something. Maybe 0.5, so I can actually see them. Linear force, double it. And this is actually pretty good. The problem is how I'm gonna do that. How I'm gonna rotate the thing. Because this might be looking kind of good when going right, but when going left it should shift to going left. Oh, what is this? What is this doing? This is weird. Gonna be fast. What's happening with the arm? I don't understand. I don't really understand what's happening with the arm. I need to somehow rotate it. Yeah. No, I can technically make it a two-way system. Let's do it fine. It's not like I have any choice or anything. So it's 0, 0. And let's set. How do I do a user set? Edit a user set parameter. System spawn. User parameters. A new one. Let's make it a float. And this is a direction. It's going to be 1 for now. linear force and plug this in here. Alright, cool. Let's go into the night VPM. Let's set float parameter, direction, last valid write input, which is basically this, yeah. And let's also get current in write input. Set relative location. So it's offsetted like 100. So let's lerp a vector. So if it goes when alpha, so it's minus 100, and this is just not on this direction though. Wait, that's rotation, damn. It was rotation and it's offsetted 400 on Y. Minus 400 and 400. Alright, should invert that. Multiply minus 1. I don't know why I have to invert it though. You. I'm not too sure what's happening here. If I don't set... Wait, let me just look from different direct... So where are the particles? Speed lines. Let's make them bigger because I can't see where they went. That's bad. They just disappeared. Wait a minute. No, it's fine. It should be fine. Maybe I should use this parameter. But the problem with this parameter is that but I think it should be inverted though. Multiply minus 1. Let's make them thinner. Oh yeah, I'm getting already pretty sleepy and I haven't really done anything yet. Alright, so this is fine. Let's add some particles for the scratches. And then just don't really know how to call it then. Just call it sparks. Should also create another material. Flare, emit, I got to learn how to type. So it should probably be on lit and translucent, I guess. So let's go with a particle color. Glow, which will probably be around 50 or something, and opacity should be radial, gradient, exponential. And I guess I'm just gonna go with density here. 10 something. Good enough. Let's go to sparks. Let's replace that with flare, emit M. So let's deny gravity, huh? Maybe increase the drag. So color, color from curve. It should start like this and then like this. Basically pretty much fire. Pretty much like fire. 2.6. Maybe even less lifetime and more velocity. 1000 to maybe something like this. Let's go in here, add the sparks. See that they're a little bit for the big. Yeah. They're a little bit far too big. Scale them down. Revert the changes of the velocity. Maybe increase the spawn rate. So sparks should be attached to foot or something. Oh. 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. Yeah. It should be going somewhere in this direction. Probably. Maybe not really, I'm not sure. So let's duplicate the sparks and attach them to leg foot L. Yeah. Let's see where this gets us. Yeah. Yeah, this looks way cooler. Yeah, this actually looks pretty cool. Let's maybe add some engine trails and maybe some particles for the shooting, but I'm not sure how to implement that. Yeah, not sure how to do that. We'll have to code a little bit, I guess. Wait, what did I want to do? I already forgot. Engine trails. Next. Now, should I go with dynamic beam or something? Probably. Engine trail. Yeah. Maybe something like... Is it called ribbon or trail? Set up. Maybe it is a beam. I don't know. Probably not though. Beam, kill, sprite, velocity. Is it called? I mean, it is a ribbon renderer here, yeah? Update beam. So if I just put the thing onto the night, what will happen? Yeah, let's just quickly test it. What will happen if I just put the engine trail here? Will it just go like from point A to point B, or will it not? Yeah, sure thing. Wait. There are problems with the video memory, and for some reason my avatar also died? Huh? I mean, it's not completely dead, but it's not moving. Let's see. Huh? What's wrong with it? Oh, that's the old model. Oh no. This is the new model, but I think it's now not positioned correctly. Yeah, it sure isn't. Technical difficulties. And it's not even moving. Yeah, it's not even moving. It's 1 FPS. Yeah, I think my computer doesn't like something about me working in Unreal for 3 hours straight. So, the mean particle isn't what we want though. Yeah, it's really not what we want. Nah. So, it seems that we have some technical problems, and that's probably why we're going to end the stream right now. Yeah. Also, I'm not sure how to finish all of this quick enough. I'll probably add the ribbons and I don't know. I just don't know. I think I should restart my PC. Yeah, it's getting pretty stressy because I'm not even, it doesn't even seem that I'm gonna make it in time. Yeah. So I should remove this. Alright, I guess that's gonna be it for today. For today's stream at least. Maybe I will work a little bit more right now, which is probably gonna be the case, but as you can see, my avatar isn't really working anymore. Unreal is starting to crash sometimes, just of the lack of the video memory. Alright then. I guess I'll see you tomorrow or something. yeah, when we're going to continue working. I'm gonna try and push like the 20 minutes I have left right now and get as much work done as possible. But we'll see where it will get me. Right then, to everyone who is still on the stream, thanks for watching, and I will see you like tomorrow, as I said, or just the next time we'll meet. Right then, bye bye, I guess.